Hello, my name is Carlos Porriquez. I have been tech now for 3 years.
Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling.
Tech decking is part of my life, but I also like to keep fit.
Oh, Papa gets very sad when he sees me playing with my little finger skateboards. He gets very angry and sometimes throws chips at me.
Hey, alright mate, yeah. It's sad, it really is sad. It's so pathetic. His stupid little boy and his fingers. That's why his mum killed himself. She couldn't hack it.
You don't even talk to me no more. You drive me crazy. Is this why you don't love me?
Look at you, you're disgusting. You're begging for my pride. I'm not having it. You waste man. Get up, you're embarrassing yourself. Look, there's a camera there. Get inside. Get inside. This is not playing no more.
No!
What?
I used to skateboard with my foot, but I fell. Something terrible. I hurt myself. But my fingers, they never fail me. I like my fingers. It's my passion. My calling.
My purpose.
My life.
I'm a tech boarder.